lovelies, Jen and Caitlin here with Fleur and B, and today we are going to introduce a new product addition. Prince Charcoal! And you're like, what's Prince Charcoal? Well, it's an amazing detox face mask.
Oh my goodness. You're gonna love it, we love it, and if you stick around to the end of the video, we have a special offer for you.
So if you couldn't tell, my friends, we are super excited about this new product. And that's because face masks are all the rage right now. People are obsessed, if I may say so myself. But it's for a good reason. They really take your self-care up to the next level.
All right, so we're gonna talk to you about what Prince Charcoal does, what makes it effective, what's in it, who it's good for, how to use it, basically just everything you need to know.
Let's start with what a detox face mask does.
It's a good place to start.
Yes.
The very beginning, to quote Julie Andrews. Basically, a detox face mask adds an extra level of cleansing to your skincare routine. And if you use it regularly, it can actually improve the appearance and texture of your skin.
You know I'm all about that glow.
Bad that glow.
Glow, glow, glow.
That was
pretty bad.
That was the rejected version of that song.
Okay.
So what gives Prince Charcoal that extra little sparkle see that in there, are the natural botanicals, those good for you garden grown ingredients.
And those are the type of things we want to put on our skin, okay? None of that weird chemicals, you know? We don't want those on our skin.
None of that. We've hand-picked, not like literally, but just we decided what goes in it, but every ingredient that goes into Prince Charcoal, starting with two of my faves. The first is kaolin clay, which is a soft clay that helps to balance natural oils and reduce the appearance of redness, soothe your skin, and also smooth your skin's texture. Sounds fabulous. The next type of clay is bentonite clay, which is a mineral-rich clay that actually comes from volcanic ash.
What?
I know, so rad. And it also helps to control and balance your natural oils, and it provides a protective little boost for your skin.
Now, some of those ingredients that we're going to talk about, I would like to handpick, but maybe not the one in the volcano. I think that would make me a little nervous.
Stay away from the volcano.
The next one we have, I would maybe go pick this. It's a coconut charcoal powder.
Ooh.
It's a natural cleanser that is just full of absorbent ability. So it's gonna go ahead and it's gonna clean off any dirt that you may have, oil, any of that junk that kind of just builds up on the surface of your skin.
We've also included antioxidant-rich organic aloe vera juice. It gives your skin a nice little glow up while also helping to soothe and reduce the appearance of redness.
Now the next ingredient, I personally, and I think Caitlin will agree with me, I had never heard of it before we started doing this research.
idea.
Yeah, it was just kind of like, what? So you may not have heard of it either, so let's talk about what it is and what it does. So it is organic reishi mushroom extract. You're probably like, what? Why mushrooms?
Do you eat it?
But it turns out that it's actually been used for centuries in Chinese medicine. And that's because it reawakens your skin, giving it a natural, luminous glow.
Speaking of reawakening your skin, we also have organic green tea leaf extract in this mask. And it gives your skin a nice little vibrant reawakening by plumping your skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
Ooh,
I know.
important.
That's an important one.
We
It's
love
a good
that.
one. I know, we're getting old, so.
And the next ingredient is also something that I love. It is lavender oil. And when I say this, I really mean it. It just smells fabulous.
Fabulous.
And it's so soothing. It's so calming for your skin. And it also works with both a toning and balancing act kind of thing. It's doing both for you
A
at the
toning
same
and
time.
balancing
Yeah,
act. It's
yeah.
like a vaudeville.
It's just great for your skin. You can't get much better than that. And then there's also lemongrass oil. And what does this do? Well, something very important, something we all love. It's gonna reduce the appearance of your pores.
Ah,
While also,
is nice.
Yeah, it really is. While it's also cleaning off any oil, dirt, or impurities from your face.
And finally, my own personal favorite, because it's so adorable, is honeysuckle flower extract.
Oh my gosh, just hearing you say it, it's just so cute. It's so cute.
I know, but powerful. All right, so honeysuckle flower extract actually helps to soothe your skin, reduce the appearance of redness, and promote an even skin tone.
So, who is Prince Charcoal good for?
Everybody. You got dry skin? Use Prince Charcoal. You got oily skin? Use Prince Charcoal. You got combo skin? Have a Prince Charcoal because it's good for you. Also, if you're like, I've got sensitive skin though, have a Prince Charcoal. Because it's natural and there's no toxins in it, it's great for people who have sensitivities as well.
Now, we haven't stopped talking about this Prince Charcoal mask. So you're probably wondering, let's see it. What does it look like? Let me show you how absolutely adorable it is. The color is just perfect. Let me get in here close for you guys so you can see the inside. Oh, it's just beautiful. The texture is great. And let me tell you this, when you put it on, it just feels amazing. It is so soothing and so refreshing.
You may be wondering, how do I use this? Well, it's really easy. Basically, step 1, wash your face. Get it nice and clean. Pat it dry, and then you take some Prince Charcoal, put it on your finger like this, put it all over your face, and then let it sit for like 8 to 10 minutes, relax, have some tea, just like self-care. And then once it's on there for 10 minutes, just rinse it off and continue on with the rest of your routine.
You're really gonna feel like you're in this like mini spa on your couch, just like wearing this mask. You're just gonna be so relaxed, so soothed. It's amazing. And we recommend that you do this if you have the time, at least 1 to 3 times per week.
Mini spa in a jar. And so to sum it up, Prince Charcoal is good for everybody, and it's gonna leave your skin looking gorgeous.
Plus, it's formulated with natural, hand-picked, as we said, not by us, but we picked these natural botanical ingredients. And that way, you didn't have to include any of these nasty parabens, sulfates, any of those toxins. There's no animal testing, and it's 100% vegan.
We also donate 1% of your purchase to a charity that helps to provide menstrual care and education to girls in need.
Do you want to hear the best part?
Absolutely, I do.
Prince Charcoal is only $18.
Whoa!
I know, I had to hold on to because it still shocks me to this
The
day.
earth is moved. And you can go to our website, fleurandbee.com, pick yours up right now. And if you use code YouTube, you can get it for 25% off. I know! Deal alert! We ship all orders within 1 business day, so you're gonna get it like that.
And at Fleur & Bee, we stand behind our products. We're sure you're gonna see healthier skin in 30 days, and if not, you can get your money back. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel so you can look at our beautiful faces and learn some more awesome skincare tips. Bye for now.
Bye.